All right, the second question, we are asked to solve the quadratic equation using completing the square method. We have 3x squared minus 20 plus 12 equal to 0. To solve completing square method, the first thing we do is to use the coefficient of x squared to divide through all the terms here. This cancels this, so I'll have x squared minus 20 over 3x plus we have 4 equal to 0. The next thing is to carry the constants across the equality sign. So I'll have x squared minus 20 over 3x equal to minus 4. And at this point, take the coefficient of x, get the half of it, and square the half of it. So to do that, I'll get the coefficient of x, which is 20 over 3. To get the half of it, I'll multiply by 1 over 3. Now, 20 times 1 will give me 20. 3 times 2 will give me 6. Then square this one, add it to the both sides of the equation. So to add, I'll have x squared minus 20 over 3x plus, I'll add this guy, we have to square it, 20 over 6 squared equal to minus 4 plus 20 over 6 squared. All right, so at this point, the next thing we do is to factorize the left hand side. It's a perfect square expression this side, because here has a square, here has a square. So take the square root of this one, square root of this one, put in the same in one bracket. I'll have x minus 20 over 6. The square root of 20 over 6 raised to power 2 is 20 over 6. Then square it outside, equal to, let's expand here, this is minus 4 plus 400 over 36. Square of 20 is 400, square of 6 is 36. At this point, let's simplify the right hand side. The LCM I have here is 36. I'm adding here and here. 36 times minus 4 give me minus 144 plus this divide here is 1 times here, this is 400. All right, then let's add and subtract. Then we add here, minus this plus 400 will give me 256 over 36. So this is what we have gotten for the right hand side. Then bring this one down. I have x minus 20 over 6 all squared. The next now is to eliminate the power by taking the square root of the both sides. So if I take the square root of here, then we add plus or minus here because it's a quadratic equation. So this square will cancel the square root. I'll have x minus 20 over 6 to be equal to plus or minus square root of 256 is 16 over square root of 36 is 6. All right. Something can divide there. 2 can divide to give me 8. 2 can divide to give me 3. So I'll have x minus 20 over 6 equal to plus or minus 8 over 3. So from here, actually, 2 can divide there to give me 3. 2 can divide there to give me 10. So let's carry 10 over 3 across the equality sign. So I'll have x to be equal to 10 over 3 plus or minus 8 over 3. We have the common denominator. So I'll be having x to be equal to 10 plus or minus 3 minus 8 over 3. Let's separate the signs here. So I'll have x to be equal to 10 plus 8 over 3 or 10 minus 8 over 3. Adding here, I'll have 18 over 3 or subtracting here, I'll have 2 over 3. Therefore, my x will be equal to 3 can divide 18 to give me 6 or we bring that 2 over 3. This becomes the solution to the number B.